The tension T in the cable which supports the 50 kg mass. With the pulley arrangement shown, each pulley is free to rotate about its bearing, and weights of all parts are small compared to the loads. Find the magnitude of the total force on the bearing of pulley at C. Ito. So, dito tatandaan nyo kapag may nakita kayong pulley, so, pag wala naman sinabing may friction, no? Yun. So, kung ano yung tension niya dito sa rope na to, kapag dumaan siya ng pulley, yun din yung tension niya, di ba? Naalala niyo yan dun sa physics, no? So, ito din, kung ano yung tension niya dito, yun din yung tension niya dyan. So, dito, pag iwahiwalay nyo lang yung mga pulley, no? So, una, sige, start kayo dito sa may ilalim, no? So, ito parallel force system na tayo, no? So, syempre, parallel force system, dalawa lang yung gagamitin nyo dyan. Yung moment and yung summation ng forces kung saan siya naka-parallel. So, dito, lagay nyo na lang to as T1. And then, ito. So, this is T1. So, again, kung dumaan yung T1 dito sa pulley, so, ano yung tension natin dito? This is also T1. So, meron tayong parallel forces. So, using summation ng forces horizontal forces vertical is equal to 0. Upward positive. So, meron tayo ditong weight na 500 multiplied by 9.81. So, we have 2T1 minus 500 by 9.81. So, equal to 0. Magkano yung T1? Newtons, no? So, next, isolate naman natin yung pulley at B. Pwede naman kayo mag-start sa taas, no? So, next sa pulley at B. So, etong tension dito, mag-a-act yan dito sa B. So, this is T1. Then, ito, magiging T2. And then, dumaan yung T2, yung tension dito sa pulley. So, ibig sabihin, T2 din yung nandito. And then, may sinabi dyan na weights of all parts are small compared to the loads. Ano ibig sabihin nun? So, masyadong magaan daw yung weight dito. So, nine-neglect na lang natin yung weight ng pulley. Pero, kung may binigay na weight ng pulley, yung weight ng pulley mag-a-act dito sa center of gravity niya. No? So, kunyari may binigay na weight yung pulley, sasama natin yung weight niya dyan. Pero wala naman, nineglect na lang natin. So, yun. Gamit to, summation tayo ng forces. Vertical pa rin, equals to 0, upward positive. So, we have 2T2 minus T1 equals to 0. Substitute lang natin yung T1. So, 2T2 minus 245.2.5 is equal to 0. So, magkano yung T2? 1,226 newtons. Kasi summation ng forces vertical na T2 plus T2, 2T2. No? Ha? Then next, isolate C. So, sa C, nandito si T2. Tapos, meron tayo ditong reaction at C. So, we have CY and CX. So, again, kung ito ay dumaan sa pulley, therefore, si T is equal yan kay T2. Therefore, the tension is equal to 1226.2 25 Newton. So, yan ay nahanap nating tension T. Then next, gamit to, coplanar force system. So, using summation ng forces along X is equal to 0 to the right positive. So, ano ni mga forces to the right? So, we have T cosine of 30 minus Cx is equal to 0. So, magkano si Cx? That is equal to 1226.25 cosine of 30. So, magkano si Cx? Magkano pa? 10,064 point 61 ba? 61 point. Ang dami naman. Sige na nga, pwede na yan. Then next, using summation naman tayo ng forces vertical is along y equals to 0, upward positive. So we have T sine of 30 minus T2 minus plus Cy equals to 0. Substituting, you have 1226.25 sine 30 minus T2. That is also equal to 1226.25 plus Cy equals to 0. Magkano yung Cy? Tama? 600 lang. Sayang. 600 point. Sakto. Newtons. Okay, so kapag hinge, no, dito sa may, ang sabi kasi dyan, free to rotate, so that is bearing. So, kunin lang natin yung resultant to solve for RC, that is equal to the square root of Cx squared plus Cy squared. So, substitute nyo lang yung Cx and Cy, masasolve nyo na si RC. 1226. So, substitute nyo lang Cx, Cy. Ito. Hindi laging same yan, na depende yan sa given. No? Parang gusto ko may grade line yung paper.